Stop by and take a look at the 2018 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, black door handles, front license plate bracket, inside you'll find power rear window sunshade, power door locks, tinted glass. Ram 2500 is the hardest working truck in tow business. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.